what if I say, I come from Taiwan? Because you're all from Taiwan, right? So this should be easy. Now that we know what the problem is, everybody try saying the sentence. 1年. 再一次, 1年. Okay? So, are you all saying your M's? Let's see, this time we'll start at the back. Okay, you first. Go ahead. You put an M after I. Okay, that's it. Okay. 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 Out of all of you, only 2 people actually said from. The rest of you all said from. Yeah. Some of you even said come. And some of you are from the magical land of Taiwan. This is what happens when you close your lips. You make a different sound. In Chinese, it doesn't matter. 我太太姓林，没关系，你都听得懂。But in English, these are different words. If I say, look at the sun, and I close my lips, then I'm saying a different word, right? That's not the sum. The sum is this. If I say, look at the sun, I'm saying there are numbers in the sky. 没有意思, right? It doesn't mean anything. If you come from Taiwan, how am I going to find that on a map? If I look on a map of the world, this country does not exist, right? So, there are a lot of problems you'll have in English if you don't pay attention to these sounds, all right? If you're speaking at any time, then your pronunciation will be important. But when you are speaking to your teacher or to a foreigner, or when you're giving a speech, that's not when you should be practicing, right? If somebody says, okay, now, you talk to the class, right? If it's important, that's not a chance to practice. Practice means you make mistakes. If it's important that you don't make mistakes, what time? When should you practice? Before, right? Next week is your exams. How many of you, if you have an exam on Monday, you will go to your exam room and start studying? Yeah? Yeah, right? I used to do that too. But I passed, okay? There's a difference. I knew the material. You need to study before then. If you start studying this week, it's still wrong. You have an exam next week. When should you start studying? September? When you have your first class, right? That's when you should start. If you spend this week getting ready for the test, then after the test, you'll just forget it all, right? That's why those tests are kind of worthless. They don't mean anything. So, When should you practice? Maybe you can start today. Now, I have a question for you. Can you practice English? Can you practice pronunciation when there's no foreigner, there's no English teacher? Can you still practice? Why not? This is a great one to start with because, everybody watch me, everybody look here. I come from Taiwan. I said, I come from Taiwan. Can you see the difference? So you don't need to even hear it. Right? You can see the difference. That's why I like to use this one for practice, because you don't need me, you don't need your English teacher. You just need a mirror. Go to the bathroom after class and try it. Watch your mouth. And when you say these words, if you don't close your lips, you're saying them wrong. If you close your lips at the end of the sentence, you're saying it wrong. Okay? That kind of thing is actually really easy to practice. And if you are careful, then this is easy enough too. 因为有母音，母音是什么意思？ It means there's no consonant sound, right? 有音，不是牙齿，不是舌头，不是嘴巴。It's not from those. When we say a vowel sound, it's all about the shape of your mouth. So some sounds are hard to practice. 英文的短母音 跟 是比较难的。But what about our long vowel sounds? 短跟长母音是什么意思？是英文的问题吗？ When you guys said the letters, we had some problems there too. But this is another thing where if you understand it, it's amazingly easy. Take it, 17年. Try see. Everybody read these sounds. Last sentence, everybody. That side's it? Why would they sound the same? Everything we just said about the consonants, the groups, 子音的主音的关系，母音也有。First, 这个呢？ Everybody always says yeah. 没有 yeah. Yeah 是这样子写的 ，right？ 再一次。How can you get them backwards? 是台北还是台北？ Is that right? No. So, which sound is A? 是哪一个？是它还是它？ Okay. How are they different? Quick and easy. 几个音？ 啊是这个音，啊，一个音对不对？都是一个。